Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check the oil level in your Audi A3 or A3 Sportback car. First step is the engine has to be warm. Then you have to chill for approximately 5 minutes, and then you can pull out the dipstick. And the first step is clean the dipstick. The dipstick is located on top of your engine under the car hood. So now we are ready to check the oil level inside your engine. For this, we pull out the dipstick, and then you can see that two areas. On the right side, it is the bottom line. That means there is the minimum line of the oil level. And then the other side is the maximum range. Here we are, maximum, and the other side is minimum. And between these 2 points, you have to see the oil, and that is your oil level. If it is at the bottom line, at the minimum range, you can dip or top up approximately 1 liter. If it is above the maximum line, you have to remove a little bit oil from the car engine, or you have to check what's going on. Wow. If you have controlled this and you have between the oil level is between the minimum range or you are on the minimum itself, you get some oil and you have to dip it into this oil refill area over there. Dip it in and then perform the same, wait approximately 3 minutes and then check again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.